Howdy! Are you ready to create, share, spread joy by making creations that are a reflection of you? If so, stay tuned to be inspired. Today, I thought I'd do a video on how to cut a slimline card. Slimline cards are all the rage today, and here are two examples, one tall and one long. They can be decorated with scenes, or they can be decorated with words or pattern paper. Use your imagination, but let's learn how to cut these cards so that you can make your own slimline card that's a reflection of you. You will take an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. Take the long part of the cardstock and cut it at 8.5. Make sure to save the piece that you cut because you can put images on this sheet. Next, turn your cardstock around. All you need to do is just rotate it around. And this time you will cut the cardstock at 7 inches. Now all you need to do is slide your cardstock back to the 3.5 inch mark and score it at 3.5. If you're using a scoreboard, just score the 3.5 along the 7 inch side of the cardstock. Then you'll use your bone folder to make a nice crease in the card, and now you're ready to decorate it and send it to someone else to spread joy. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next week.